Hi, in front of me is ASUS Rog Phone 5 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. Start by opening menu and tapping on sound recorder. Then click while using the app and allow. And click on this mic button to start your recording. You can pause it and unpause it by clicking on the same one. But if you wish to save it and name it, all you need to do is click on the pause button again and tap on the square one. Then click on this icon over here, choose rename and enter name of your recording. Save your changes by clicking save. If you wish to delete it, all you need to do is click on the same icon, select delete this time and tap OK over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!